Luke here, this is the Outdoor Gear Review. I am back for another viewer mail episode, and this is part of the Maxwell edition. My good buddy, Maxwell, has been super generous to send in tons and tons of packages. Each one's a mystery. I have no idea what's in these boxes, and the Forerunner is packed full. So last time we had 2 packages. For this episode, we have 2 more. Check this out. Here's package 1, here's package 2. These 2 packages did not come this way. The small package was perfectly fine when it arrived. Package number 2 arrived absolutely destroyed. So I have no idea if what Maxwell put inside of this is actually present or this is simply what is left. I have no clue. Either way, Maxwell, thank you so much, buddy. Why don't you go ahead, pause the video, comment down below, and take a guess as to what is inside of this box. Maxwell, what's in the box? Let's find out right now. I love military surplus. I really do. So to start off here, we have a military wool blanket. Very sweet. It's wool / synthetic, so it's a combination of some sort. Yeah, that's nice. That is really nice. I love these type of blankets. They are perfect for bushcraft. Not too heavy, not too big. All right, so we have a harness system to a backpack. Here's a load-bearing belt. This box is absolutely packed. So this looks like it's a Molly too, I think. The assault pack, which I do not have. Thank you very much, buddy. Pouches on the side. Looks like a first aid kit right here. The Molly 2 radio pouch is installed. There's a frame sheet. Inside, we have some pouches. What pouch is this? This is some sort of map kit. Oh, that is freaking awesome. So your map would go inside of this. It's zippered, waterproof. That's cool. That's really, really cool. Military Grid Reference System, MGRS. That is the coolest thing, man. I really like this. That is awesome. Whoa. Wow. K-bar knife. Wow, buddy. Been used a little bit, but not much. It's in really, really good condition. Maxwell, buddy, I don't deserve this. I feel bad for taking your knife. We have another little pouch. What is this? Ah, that is neat. It's a small map waterproof pouch that folds up. That is really, really cool. I have not personally seen these myself. That is awesome. Yeah. Butterfingers here. So we have a pretty nice little first aid kit. We have some gauze pads, all sorts of bandages and whatnot. And then we have this here. This is a pretty good first aid kit too. We have the latex gloves, pill holder, some soap, band-aids, scissors, on and on and on. So we have some sort of carrying bag which attaches with Alice clips. We have a hydration bag, 3 liter. This might actually be a Source hydration bag. Can't tell at the moment. These are awesome for running and gunning. So you fill up your bladder and then you can take off running. Very cool. Thank you very, very much, Maxwell. You are the man. We have 2 more hydration carriers. We have this one, very, very simple. Here's another one, different camo pattern. And we have another hydration carrier. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It says here that this is the HydraStorm Tempest, the world's finest hydration system. Now that we got this box out of the way, let's check out what's in the smashed box. So that box has this pack in it. Looks to be another Alice pack. This pack doesn't look like it's been opened in some time. The straps are very, very stiff. So starting here with the map pocket, there's a pack cover on the inside. So we have a bubble envelope, probably to sit on. That's what I would use it for. We have all sorts of different pouches and whatnot. Looks like another sleep system pouch. Oh yes. I am very, very familiar with these. These are dry sacks. and I am going to throw this thing away immediately. If you guys have ever used one of these or ever come in contact with one of these things smell so damn bad. Whew. Yep, sure does. Absolutely stinks. This is a waterproof pack liner bag. They come in all different sizes, and they just smell so awful, so awful. Anything that you put inside of these is going to stink forever. I do not recommend using these. Terrible. Maxwell, thank you for sending it to me, buddy, but that's got to go. So it looks like Maxwell had the complete set to these. Every single size possible. And again, they just smell so bad. They become very tacky with age. These are on the way to being very, very sticky. I just don't recommend these at all. Buddy, I cannot thank you enough for sharing all of this with me. I will make sure to pass this on, some of it at least. Those waterproof liners, I'm just gonna chuck those. They're too far gone. Too old, too far gone. As for wrapping up this viewer mail episode, the Maxwell edition, wow, my mind is blown. Look at all of that military surplus. I'm excited to go home and really get out every single component and take time to look at it and see what exactly is here, because there's so much. It's almost overwhelming, to be honest. But Maxwell, buddy, I do appreciate it big time. I really do. I will make sure that all of this goes to a good home, all the pieces that I don't keep. Everyone, make sure to comment down below, share your thoughts about all of this and the Maxwell edition. Until next time, everybody, take care. Strength and honor. See ya.